Today I'm going to learn about this. So, I'm over it. You have to over this little thing. This is the brand new thing. Oh, what the hell is too hard to open? Hi guys, this is my dad. So, how do I get this thing out? We're going. Okay. This is the stingy, the screwdriver. So this is. I could say something. How you bind it together? I'm going to show you something. So we're going to do something. I don't know how to screw it.
Maybe the other things go in it.
The other things go in the thing?
Yeah.
I don't know how. I got
There
it.
you go.
Then put it here. The other way. The other way.
Maybe on the other one. There you go.
That looks like a dress, ding ding. So today it looks like a dress. Without open. Yeah. Real hard to open. And how you put it to bind it together? You're supposed to.
You're supposed to?
Yeah. To real. I don't know why it's not sticking on. No. It's not working. It works. It's working. We have to split and now. Screwing it. Now it looks like a thing. Ching, but it's still water. Now. Now let's put this. Hi everybody. This is the brand new thing.
Yay!
This is my mom. So it's got video. So this is the thing. Cause my dad used. So I'm showing it to you guys. Now I'm going to open it again. I'm going to show you how you move it. I'll move it. That's good. You're supposed to move it.
Maybe there's a button.
A button. Oh, that's good. This little. It moves. You just have to hit the heart. And you do it right. Now I'm going to do it. And now I'm going to squish. Now I'm going to squish now. Upside down. Make it be more better. Oh, the other one. The small one. This one is going to be funny. I think I have to do like something like this. This one is going to be hard. This is going to be hard. This is going to be hard to screw. Sorry, everybody. This is hard to screw. So I tried to do something to it. Get it kicked out. But this is my mom.
There you go. You got it. All right, and that's the thing. Bye, everyone.
That's not it.